Otherwise, you'll generally download visuals from the Marketplace. To that end, we'll select From Marketplace. Note that to access the Marketplace, you'll need to have a Power BI account. If you're not signed into your account, you'll be prompted to sign in at this point. We now see the Power BI Visuals gallery. On the left of the screen, we can see that there are many different categories of visual available. The range of custom visuals is extensive, and new visuals are added frequently. We're going to add a box and whisker plot, so we'll search for box and whisker. Note that there are two different options. We'll add the first one to our report. At this point, we get a message saying the visual has been added to the report, and we can see there's now an icon for the new box plot in the Visualizations pane.